Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature a variety of haircuts and hair color transformations. First up, we have this gorgeous lob. This is so chic, effortless, absolutely amazing transformation. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of today's hairstyles, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with gorgeous copper colored hair. The stylist ended up doing a beautiful pixie bob style, really enhanced with the color. Amazing. And then we have another beautiful bob haircut. Loving the blonde highlights with this one. Gorgeous soft texture, absolutely stunning. Then we have someone doing some DIY curtain bangs. And then we have someone with curly hair doing a roller set. So she used foil in order to create these beautiful curls. Wow. So she added some hair extensions, beautiful light ginger tone. Gorgeous. I don't know, what color would you guys classify that as? Ginger, copper, it's a really pretty shade. And we have another copper hair color transformation. Another pixie bob style. Wow, this color is absolutely radiant. Oh, another copper color. So it looks like she also decided to cut her hair a little bit more into a bob. So we have a gorgeous pixie transformation here. Absolutely stunning. And this is more of a traditional pixie, long bangs on the front, face framing highlights, beautiful. So I hope that you guys were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. And if you want to see even more hot hair ideas, you can check out this video next.